Hi mga lods ko. Again, this is Farah Hoot. So I'm just gonna share with you my OOTD for today. Char! OOTD. On in the I actually, this one, I like this. This is very nice. See? It's cute. Cute kaayo. Hamis kitag na sa ano da. See? Did you see this? So nice. And this too. Diba?
And this too.
Buang kay post man ako para pala ka. Yeah. Do I look beautiful? Diba? Simple lang. Simple lang siya, anak. Alam, kinanglan lang ng accessory gamay, anak. Para medyo.
Accessory.
Para medyo. Sampo ka barit. Yeah, my husband is here. Kay nabuing.
Hello, mga Lloyd.
Yeah. So, nice, diba? Nice kaayo ang akong OOTD for today. Diba? That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.
See you later.